Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another very important topic which is called Gauss Jordan method, or sometimes it is called reduced row echelon form method. So I think you have gone through the previous lecture which is on Gauss elimination method. So this is also a direct method. So why it is called direct method? So direct method इसलिए क्योंकि after finite number of steps हम लोग जो solution है उसको हम लोग directly निकाल सकते हैं without substituting anything. So why we use Gauss Jordan or Gauss elimination method to solve a system of linear equations? तो वहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल 3 या तो उससे भी ज़्यादा वेरिएबल हो सकते हैं जो कि हम लोग ऑलरेडी Gauss elimination method में देख चुके हैं. Now coming back to the working rule. So like Gauss elimination method, here we have to consider a system of what? Linear equations. Then in step 2, we have to construct the augmented matrix which is A dot dot B. Okay. Then in third step, this is important. See, transform the matrix A of A dot dot B. So when we write A dot dot B, so it is the combination of two matrices, coefficient matrix A and the constant matrix B. So only this particular matrix A, we have to convert this particular matrix A to reduced row echelon form. So we know echelon form. Then what is reduced row echelon form, which we know in canonical or normal form. Normal form में हम लोग देख चुके थे. That means this particular matrix, we have to make this matrix as what? Identity matrix, where all the diagonal elements will be 1 and the other elements will be what? 0. Now this is also called row canonical form. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा twist है. So canonical form या तो normal form का जो lecture था वहाँ पे हम लोग identity matrix कैसे बनाए थे? Using both row operation and column operation. ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ row operation करेंगे. So by using row operation, we reduce this particular matrix to what? Identity matrix or unit matrix. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. So normal form में हम लोग एक दूसरे तरीके से हम लोग उसको नॉर्मल मतलब आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स में कन्वर्ट किए थे. So यहाँ पे हम लोग ओनली रो यूज करके द सेम मैट्रिक्स को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मैं इसको यूनिट मैट्रिक्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So we can use both. Okay. So after gone through this particular lecture, whenever it is asked to asked that convert this particular matrix to canonical form, so you can use both the method. Means combination of row transformation and column transformation, or you can only use row transformation only. Then in step number 4, so after reducing it to normal or canonical form, what we'll do? We'll get some equation, and then finally when you solve the equation, we'll get the result or the solution. So it's very simple. Okay. So maybe अभी यहाँ पे आप लोगों को यहाँ पे जितना भी वर्किंग रूल का स्टेप्स है पूरा समझ में नहीं आया होगा. So when we go and do one sum, then it will be very much clear to all of you. So I'll suggest you kindly do with me so that it will be much more clear to all of you. Now solve the following system of equation by Gauss Jordan elimination method. तो यहाँ पे पहले हम लोग एक सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन लिए हैं जहाँ पे 3 वेरिएबल है x, y, z. ओके. सो फर्स्ट हमें क्या करना है, ये जो पूरा सिस्टम है इसको हमें मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखना है. सो लेट अस राइट दिस 3 इक्वेशन इन मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म व्हिच इज ax इक्वल्स टू b. सो हियर a इज व्हाट? 1 1 1, देन 2 3 5 4, y is absent here, so 0, and then again 5, x is column matrix of variable, 3 variables are here, and on the right hand side we have to write the constants which is 5, 8, and then what? 2. Okay. Now we'll construct the augmented matrix which is A dot dot B. ठीक है ना? So A dot dot B. So how will write A dot dot B? So it's 1 1 1, 2 3 5 4 0 5, and then at last we have to write the values of the matrix B, 5, 8, and then 2. Now what we'll do, first we'll reduce this particular matrix, this particular portion A, to what form? Echelon form. Okay, then we'll convert it to normal form. So in echelon form, what to do? So what is the first row? So we'll keep first row fixed, and then we'll make these two elements 0. Okay, so we'll first make these two 0 with the help of 1. So what will be the operation? Row 2 goes to row 2 minus 2r1. Okay, so then it will be 0, and then what will get? 3 minus 2 into 1 is 1, and then 3, and then this is minus 2. Now we'll make this minus 4 0 with the help of 1. So our operation will be R3 goes to R3 minus 4R1. So it will become 0, minus 4, 1, and this is 2 minus 4. Okay, so it's 5, 4. So it will be minus 18, I guess. So let me check once again. Okay. 2 minus 4 into 5. Yeah, it's my minus 18. Now, so step first these two we have make these two element 0. So उसके बाद क्या करना है? अभी इसको 0 बनाना है. जो लास्ट एलिमेंट है इसको अभी 0 बनाना है. So फर्स्ट रो को हम लोग ऐसे मतलब लिखेंगे. Then now second row will be fixed. Okay, now which element we have to make 0? This minus 4 we have to make 0 with the help of what? 1. So our operation will be R3 goes to R3 plus 4R2. Okay, 4R2. So then this will be 0, 0, then it's 13, and this will become minus 26. Okay, now we can do one thing. You see, this particular last row, no, we can divide this row by 13 so that the elements will be reduced form. So 1, 1, 1, then 5, 0, 1, 3, minus 2. Now this will become 0, 0, 1, और ये क्या हो जाएगा? minus 2. So what we did here, row 3 goes to row 3 by 13. Okay, so नहीं करने से भी होगा, लेकिन अगर हम लोग ये मतलब इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर लेते हैं एलिमेंट्स को, तो कैलकुलेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा इजी होगा. Okay, now see, echelon form is done, but we have to convert it into what? Normal form. Means we have to make this particular part, no, this particular part to what? Unit matrix और आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. इसे आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स बनाना है. सो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स मतलब डायगोनल सारा 1 रहेगा और बाकी क्या होगा? 0 होगा. नाउ देखिए, दिस इज एन अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. ये पोर्शन को हम लोग देखेंगे तो दिस इज एन अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स, बट यू हैव टू मेक all these 3 element also 0. So पहले in normal form what we did, we use column transformation, मतलब इस लाइन को फिक्स करके ये सब हम लोग 0 बनाए थे. लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं करना है. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? अभी नीचे से स्टार्ट करेंगे. अभी रो 3 को फिक्स करके पहले ये 2 को 0 बनाएंगे. ठीक है, तो आप लोग थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए. नाउ विल फिक्स्ड रो 3. सो पहले इसको हम लोग लिख लेते हैं -2. सो हियर रो 3 इज फिक्स्ड. So what is the first first non-zero element of row 3? So we will not consider this. Okay, हमें सिर्फ कैपिटल A को आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स बनाना है. B जैसे है वैसे रहेगा. So this is the first non-zero element 1. Above this we have 2 different element 1 and 3. So we have to make these 2 elements 0. Okay, इसे हमें 0 बनाना है with the help of what? R3. So ये बहुत ही सिंपल है. So R1 goes to R1 minus R3, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी 1 है, यहाँ पे भी 1 है. सो 1 minus 1 क्या आ जाएगा? 0. सो इट विल बिकम 1, 1, 0, and then 5 minus this, it will become 7. Then we will make this particular 3 0 with the help of what? 1. So operation will be R2 goes to R2 minus 3 R3. So it will be 0, 1, 0, and your this element will become 4, I guess. This minus 3, yeah, -2 plus 6 is 4. Okay. Then now what we'll do, अभी लास्ट जो रो है वो एज इट इज रहेगा. ओके, जस्ट रिवर्स प्रोसेस. जैसे हम लोग ऊपर से स्टार्ट किए थे तो अभी नीचे से वैसे ही जाएगा. नाउ रो 2 विल बी फिक्स्ड 0, 1, 0, 4. Okay, now see, what is the first this is the first non-zero element of row 2, and above this we have this 1. So we'll going to make this 1 0. So the operation will be R1 goes to R1 minus R2. Both is simple है. So it's 1, 0, 0, and this will become what? 3. Now see, very interestingly, except the diagonal, all the other elements in the matrix A is what? 0. So this is what? Reduced row echelon form, or normal or canonical form, but only by what? Row transformation. Okay, so let us give this as equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now equation 1 implies, in equation 1 what we have? A. Now these are the new values of A, or reduced form of A. So we are going to write these values 1 0 0, 0 1 0, and then 0 0 1. Okay, so then the variables are x, y, z. On the right side we have constant 3, 4, and minus 2. Now this method is much more easier. Maybe we have to do 2 more lines, but the result है यहाँ पे, वो result यहाँ पे directly आएगा, क्योंकि in Gauss elimination method finally you have to solve a little bit by back substitution, but here the result will get directly. Now if we multiply these two matrices, simply you will get x, y, z, and on the right hand side you have 3, 4, and minus 2. Just compare it. X equal to 3, y equals to 4, and z equals to minus 2. Now you can put this 3 value in any one of the equation, and you check that the values are correct or incorrect. So here in place of x, if we put 3, and in place of y if we put 4, so 3 plus 4 is 7, and our y is minus 2. So 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. So it is satisfied. Okay. Now let us take one more example. So here I have taken 4 variables. Okay, a, b, c, and d. So first what to do? You have to write this particular system of equation to matrix form, which is ax equals to b. So write down the matrix of A, and the column matrix is A, B, C, D, and on the right hand side we have to write the coefficient on right hand side. Okay, then we have to form the augmented matrix, which is A dot dot B. So our A dot dot B will be 1 1 2 0, 2 minus 1 0 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 2, then minus 1, and then let us write the values of the matrix B. So it's 1 minus 2 4, and then what? 0. So same process. So what we'll do first? We'll make these 3 elements 0, right? We'll make these 3 elements 0 with the help of row 1. So let us fix row 1. So यहाँ पे हम लोग row 1 को fixed करके जो ऑपरेशन है वो लिखेंगे R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1, then R3 goes to R3 minus R1, then R4 goes to R4 minus 2R1. ठीक है, so just ऑपरेशन करने से बाकी जो एलिमेंट है वो सब आ जाएगा. So our element will be 0, then minus 3, minus 4, 1, and this will be minus 4. Then 0, minus 2, minus 3, and then this will be our 3, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 1, and then last element will be what? Minus 2. Okay, so it's very simple. Just first जो row है, after fixing the first row, what to do? You have to make these 3 elements 0. Okay, now coming to the next step. Now we'll write first row as it is, 1 1 2 0, and then 1. Now we'll keep row 2 fixed, which is 0, minus 3, minus 4 1, and then minus 4. Now we are going to make these 2 elements 0, right? So these 2 elements we have to make 0 with the help of what? This 3, row 3. So row 2. So because minus 3 is in row 2. So let us write the operation. First operation will be R3 goes to, now this they have the factors are different, no? So how will write it? 3 into R3 minus 2 into R2. Okay, then row 4 goes to, so now both the elements are same, minus 3 minus 3, so just simply subtract it, R4 minus R2. So what will be the operation elements? It will be 0 0, then what? Minus 1 minus 8, and then this is our 17, and here you will get 0 0 2 minus 2, and this is how much? 2. Okay, now one more step. After that echelon form is done, then we'll convert it to normal form. So in the final step, let us keep the first two row as it is, -4 1 then -4. अभी जो थर्ड रो है ना, थर्ड रो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, उसको हम लोग यहाँ पे उसको फिक्स रखेंगे 17. सो द थर्ड रो का फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट है क्या है, -1. सो उसके नीचे क्या है 2. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक दिस पर्टिकुलर 2 0 विद द हेल्प ऑफ -1. सो व्हाट विल बी द ऑपरेशन, R4 goes to R4 plus 2 R3. Okay, R4 plus 2 R3. So the elements will be 0 0. Now it will become 0, -18 and then 36. Now see, ये जो थर्ड रो है, फोर्थ रो है ना, फोर्थ रो अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे -18 से डिवाइड करेंगे, सो ये जो एलिमेंट्स है थोड़ा क्या हो जाएगा, थोड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा. सो लेट अस डिवाइड दैट पर्टिकुलर रो बाय 18 -18. So 1 1 2 0 and then 1 0 -3 -4 1 and then how much, -4, then 0 0 -1 -8 and then 17. एंड जो लास्ट रो है वो क्या आएगा, 0 0 0 -18 एंड देन व्हाट, सॉरी ये हो जाएगा 1, दिस विल बिकम 1 एंड द लास्ट एलिमेंट विल बी हाउ मच, -2. सो व्हाट वी डिड हियर, R4 goes to R4 divided by -18. Okay, R4 divided by -18. So now see this below the diagonal, no, below the diagonal all the elements are 0. So this is echelon form. After this line you can do Gauss elimination method. Okay, but for Gauss Jordan method, what to do, above the diagonal there are again some elements, so those elements we have to make 0, but no, not by column operation. What we'll do, we have to do row operation. So now what we'll do, we'll fix row for 0 0 0 1 and then what, -2. So what are the elements that we are going to make 0? These three elements we have to make 0. Okay, so already this is 0, so no need to do anything. So let us write row 1 as it is. उसको ऐसे लिखना है. अभी ये दो एलिमेंट को 0 बनाना है, तो पहला है 1 और लास्ट देन क्या है, -8. सो 1 को 0 बनाना होगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ 1. सो इसको डायरेक्टली हमें क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो R2 goes to R2 minus what, R4 एंड देन -8 को 0 बनाना होगा. -8 को 0 बनाने से R3 goes to R3 plus 8 क्या, R4. ओके, सो लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स. सो आफ्टर डूइंग दिस minus, okay, so our elements will be 0 and then -3 -4, this is also 0 now, then -2 and then here we'll get 0 0 -1 0 and this element is how much, 1. okay, so ये जो तीनों एलिमेंट है, ये तीनों क्या हो गया, 0 हो गया. now what we'll do, now last row will be as it is, लास्ट रो सेम. अभी हमें रो 3 को फिक्स रखना है, 0 0 -1 0 एंड देन हाउ मच, 1. ठीक है, सो अभी हमें लास्ट जो रो है, लास्ट रो को हमें फिक्स रखना है. तो कौन सा दो एलिमेंट को 0 बनाना होगा, वी हैव टू मेक दिस टू एलिमेंट 0 विद द हेल्प ऑफ, सो R1 goes to R1 plus 2 into R3 and then R2 goes to R2 minus 4 into R3. so एलिमेंट्स जो है क्या आएगा, so that will be 1 1 0 0, this will be 3, then 0, this is -3, now it will become 0 0 and this is -6. okay, so अभी और एक स्टेप बाकी है, सिर्फ इसे 0 बनाना है with the help of -3. okay, now let us come to the last operation. so now what will be the operation now, किसको 0 बनाना होगा, इसे 0 बनाना. okay, so the operation will be R1 goes to 3 into R1 plus R2. ठीक है, इसे 0 बनाना होगा with the help of -3. so बाकी जो लास्ट का जो 3 रो है वो अभी हम लोग ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, उसमें कुछ चेंजेस नहीं होगा. 0 0 -1 0 1 0 -3 0, 0, then minus 6. So after doing this particular operation, what will get? This element will change. It will become 3 now. Then this will become 0, 0, 0. Now what will be the first element? First element will remain same, it is 3. Okay. Now see, except the diagonal, all the other elements are what? 0. Now one final step is there. We have to make this diagonal 1. सबको 1 बनाना है. It's very simple. Row 1 को 3 से divide करना है. Row 2 को -3 से divide करना है. Then we'll divide row 3 by -1. So let us do this. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. It will be our 2 now after dividing by -3. 0, 0, 1, 0, -1. And this is same, so no need to do anything. It's already 1. Okay, so what we did here, R1 goes to R1 by 3. R2 goes to R2 by -3. And then R3 goes to R3 by -1. Now see, this portion is in echelon form, so what? Normal form. ये डायरेक्टली क्या है अभी? आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स, यूनिट मैट्रिक्स है. ओके, ये तो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. सो हमें क्या करना है अभी? इक्वेशन 1 में बैठाना होगा. सो लेट अस गिव दिस एज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Okay, so therefore equation 1 implies, in place of a, what we'll write? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, then our variables are a, b, c, d, and on the right hand side we have 1, 2, -1 and -2. So multiply करने से क्या आएगा? This will become a, b, c, d, c, d, and then 1, 2, -1, -2. Okay, so compare करने के बाद क्या आएगा? 1 equal a equals to 1, then what? Our b equals to 2, c equal to -1, and d equals to how much? -2. So this is our final answer. It's very simple. Okay, it's very, very simple. Now if you put all these values in any one of the equation, you'll see that these values will satisfy the equation. Okay, so I hope you understand this particular method. It's a very simple method and very important also, because in every syllabus, इंजीनियरिंग या तो बीएससी किसी भी सिलेबस में आप लोग देखिए तो ये जो पर्टिकुलर मेथड है ये इंक्लूडेड है. मैट्रिक्स में रहता है, लीनियर अलजेब्रा में मतलब रहता है. कभी कभी हमें इसे न्यूमेरिकल मेथड में भी इस मेथड को हम लोग यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग टुडेज वीडियो. सो इफ यू फाउंड दिस लेक्चर हेल्पफुल, then kindly subscribe and share with your friends, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will get the update of all my latest videos. And if you have any queries, then kindly write in the comment box. I'll try my best to answer those questions. And thanks once again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.